Hi everyone! Welcome to this overview of the FDA's latest guidance on decentralized clinical trials, or DCTs. As clinical research evolves, DCTs allow trial-related activities to take place remotely, helping reach more diverse populations and making participation easier for patients. This new guidance from September 2024 outlines the FDA's recommendations for incorporating decentralized elements into clinical trials safely and effectively. Decentralized clinical trials are clinical studies that include elements allowing participants to engage from locations other than traditional trial sites, such as their homes or local healthcare facilities. These trials can involve telehealth visits, in-home assessments by trial personnel, or the use of local healthcare providers for tasks like blood tests. DCTs are important because they increase convenience for participants, reduce the burden of travel, and improve access for people with limited mobility or those living far from clinical sites. By expanding access, DCTs can help attract more diverse and representative trial populations, which improves the generalizability of trial results. The FDA's guidance includes several key recommendations to ensure decentralized trials meet regulatory standards. Let's look at a few of the most important. Trials should be carefully planned to manage decentralized activities. The protocol must specify which activities happen remotely and how to ensure data quality and consistency. Remote visits, whether by telehealth or local healthcare providers, must be used appropriately depending on the investigational product and patient needs. Digital health technologies, or DHTs, like mobile apps or wearables, can collect data remotely. The guidance stresses the importance of ensuring these technologies are accessible to all participants and don't exclude people based on socioeconomic status. When it comes to decentralized clinical trials, both sponsors and investigators have critical roles to play. Let's break down their responsibilities. Sponsors are responsible for coordinating all decentralized elements of the trial, ensuring that each component operates smoothly. This includes managing remote trial personnel, local healthcare providers, and overseeing activities such as at-home visits and direct shipping of investigational products to participants. Sponsors also need to maintain proper documentation of all activities and service providers involved in the trial. This ensures compliance with regulations and safeguards the integrity of the trial data. Investigators remain responsible for protecting participants and ensuring that all trial-related activities are carried out according to the protocol, even when activities are delegated to local healthcare providers. Investigators must oversee the work of local healthcare providers, review their reports, and ensure data quality. While local providers may perform routine tasks like physical exams, the investigator must follow up on any concerning findings. The FDA will continue to conduct inspections and assessments, both in person and remotely, to ensure trials comply with regulatory standards. Investigators must provide access to trial records and facilitate FDA inspections. These records can be accessed remotely, but it's crucial that the sponsor ensures data integrity and confidentiality. Informed consent is a cornerstone of any clinical trial, and this process can be done remotely in decentralized trials. Investigators are responsible for obtaining informed consent from participants, whether through electronic systems or telehealth visits. All informed consent must comply with 21 CFR Part 50, FDA's informed consent regulations. The process must ensure that participants fully understand the trial, including what decentralized elements will be involved, who will have access to their data, and how they can seek help in the case of a medical emergency. The guidance also addresses how to manage investigational products in decentralized trials, how to implement safety monitoring, and how to use electronic systems effectively. Investigational products may be administered in participants' homes or through local healthcare providers if their safety profiles are well characterized. However, for higher-risk products, in-person supervision by the investigator may still be required. Investigators must track the delivery, use, and return of investigational products. This includes ensuring that drugs with specific storage or handling requirements are shipped and stored appropriately. Safety is a top priority in any clinical trial. The guidance emphasizes that decentralized trials should include a robust safety monitoring plan that accounts for the remote nature of the trial. Adverse events need to be tracked and reported promptly, whether identified by local healthcare providers or through digital health technologies. Participants should always have clear instructions on where to report adverse events and seek medical attention if needed. Electronic systems are vital for managing decentralized trials. These systems handle tasks like scheduling visits, managing consent forms, tracking investigational products, and securely storing trial data. It's important that all systems comply with FDA regulations, particularly 21 CFR Part 11, which governs the use of electronic records and signatures. Decentralized clinical trials offer tremendous potential to make research more accessible and inclusive. By adhering to the FDA's guidance on roles, responsibilities, oversight, safety, and the use of technology, sponsors and investigators can ensure that these trials maintain high standards of safety and data integrity. Thank you for watching, and for more detailed information, refer to the FDA's full guidance document. Give us a follow here on LinkedIn to stay up to date on clinical research news and emerging topics. Be sure to visit advantage-clinical.com to peruse our Knowledge Center for more. Thanks for watching.